Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going over the same skill from our past two videos, percentages, but now our hardest or advanced difficulty. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and let's go over these four questions. So the population of Springville is on the rise each year on January the 1st. The town holds its own census, and the population is recorded. In 2010, the town recorded a population of 12,000. The 2011 census reported a 5% increase from the 2010 population, and the 2012 census reported a 7% increase from the 2011 population. By how many people did the population of Springville increase over the 2-year period? Here, all we have to do is pretty much record that 5% increase to our 12,000 and then do a 7% increase on that answer. So a 5% increase on 12,000 is just 12,000 times 1.05. That is 12,600. So now we're going to multiply 12,600 by 1.07 to represent that 7% increase. Our answer to that is 13,482, but that's not what our answer is looking for. Our answer is looking for how many more did we increase. So we're going to subtract our initial amount, 12,000, from 13,482. We're going to get 1,482. So answer choice D is correct. On to question number 2. In the west region of the United States, the ratio of densely vegetated land to sparsely vegetated land is 11 to 18. So dense compared to sparsely. In the central region of the U.S., the ratio is 3 to 1. What is the difference in percentage of densely vegetated land from the west region to the central region? Here we need to create percentages from each of these ratios, and then from those percentages we're going to find the difference or subtract them at the very end. So firstly, we have densely to sparsely for our west region is 11 over 18. The percentage of densely vegetated land is going to be out of the total. So to find the percentage of densely vegetated land, we need to add on 11 to our denominator. So the percentage for the west region is going to be 11 over 29. And for the central region, it is 3 over 1. We just need to add 3 to our denominator. So it is 3 out of 4 parcels of land are densely vegetated. So we obviously know 3/4 is 75%, but let's go ahead and put 11 over 29 into our calculator. 11 divided by 29 is 0.379. Obviously converted to a percentage, that's 37.9%. And now we're just going to find the difference or subtract both of these values to each other. Don't get distracted by answer choice D here. So 75 minus 37.9 is 37.1. So answer choice C is correct here. On to our next question. This person went shopping on Tuesday and decided he wanted to purchase a pair of pants that is 15% off the regular price. If he waits and buys the pants on Wednesday, he will receive an additional 5% off. Which percent would Wednesday's sale price be of the additional price for the pants round to the nearest whole percent? So here it's just best that we assume that the pair of pants is $100. So if the pair of pants is $100 and it's 15% off, 100 is the whole, our par is going to be 15% off, or 85% of, over 100. We can clearly see X is just going to be 85. So now we have 85, and then we're going to take 5% off of this. So 95 over 100 equals X over 85. We can now solve this proportion to find our answer. Instead of solving for this, we can obviously see that only one answer choice is going to make sense. If it's already $85 or 80% or 85% of its original price, if we take 5% off of that, it's going to decrease, obviously. So 81 is the only reasonable estimate, meaning that A is the correct answer. On to our last question here. Daniela has a 3-season acting contract for a new TV show. Pay for season 1 is P amount of dollars. Then her pay will increase by 5% from season 1 to season 2, and by 10% from season 2 to season 3, which of following represents Daniela's season 3 pay in terms of P. So remember not to get confused here, because we first need to do this season 1 to season 2 increase. So we have P, and then a 5% increase, we just need to multiply that by 1.05. Let's call P times 1.05 her season 2 pay. So let's just call this S. And then to go from season 2 to season 3, we multiply S by an increase of 10%, so 1.10. So S times 1.10 is her season 3 pay. Of course, we need to substitute in our expression for S. So it just looks like P times 1.05 times 1.10 equals our Season 3 pay. And that matches answer choice C. That is the correct answer here. That is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed going over the advanced difficulty level. We'll move on to our next skill later, and I hope to see you guys then. Goodbye.